Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay magsimula tayo ng panibagong series, no? Yung series natin na to ay Introduction to Logic. No? So basic logic lang ito, and ang logic ay nasa grade 11 at the same time nasa university or college na, no? This is very important para sa mga magte-take ng engineering courses, ng computer science, no? Dahil ginagamit ito sa mga logic gates tsaka sa programming, no? So, maganda kung ma-master ninyo ito, no? So, a proposition is a declarative sentence. Na unang pag-uusapan pala natin ay ang proposition, no? And a proposition is a declarative sentence, no? That is either true or false, but not both, no? So, naalala nyo pa yung English nyo? Declarative, yung interrogative, imperative, tsaka exclamatory pa yun, exclamative. May exclamative pa, hindi ko rin alam. Anyway, ang declarative means na it's a statement that tells us something, no? Ang interrogative ay tanong, no? Question siya. Ang imperative ay command at yung exclamatory, exclamation siya. Yung it's a surprise or no? Basta something that that is exclamatory, no? Or that is an exclamation. So, una, dapat makita nyo na declarative siya. Yung statement to be a proposition. And it is either true or false. So, kahit declarative sentence siya, pag hindi siya either true or false, hindi siya proposition. Okay? So, if the statement is true, no? If the statement is true, yung kanyang truth value ay T. At if the statement is false, ang kanyang truth value ay F. Okay, so, yeah. You've been doing that since elementary, yung true or false, no? Okay, so, malinaw, no? A proposition is a declarative sentence that is either true or false. Yung declarative means that it tells us something, no? Tells us about something. Okay, so tingnan natin itong exercises na to. Determine whether the statements are propositions or not. If a proposition, determine its truth value. So truth value to T or F lang naman, di ba? So number 1, we have the Philippines is a country in Asia. Is it a proposition or not? It is a proposition. Kasi it's a declarative sentence that tells us about the Philippines. So, proposition siya, and ang kanyang truth value ay true. O baka hindi ko alam kung saan ang Pilipinas, ha? By the way, bago ako ituloy, so, by the way, propositions are usually represented by small letters, kagaya nito. So, kasi mahirap magsulat ng buo, no? For example, may statement ka later. Pag napag-aralan nyo na yung compound statements, yung mga and or, hindi mo pwedeng isulat yung buong sentence, lalo lang yung... So, mas maganda at mas precise kung letters na ng small letters yung gagamitin. Okay, so, statement Q, no? Hokkaido is the capital of Japan. Proposition ba siya? Yes, it's a proposition. It tells us about Hokkaido. And it's false, no? Hokkaido is not the capital of Japan. It's Hokkaido, I think, is an island na malaki, no? So it's one of the 4 islands of Japan na malaki. So hindi siya city. Katulad ng Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. What's your favorite subject? Not a proposition. This is not a declarative sentence. In fact, it's an interrogative sentence. Proposition. The sum of 2 even numbers is even. I think okay ito, no? So, kaya nyo ba i-prove ito? Magandang exercise yung proof nito, madali lang. So, this is a proposition and it's true. So, challenge, prove that it's true. Run is no, not a proposition. So hindi siya true or false. Siya ay nag-uutos. Run, no? 7 plus 8 is 10. It is a proposition, pero false siya. No? And ito, this is a proposition, pero true siya. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8, and negative 8 is less than 0. Okay, so sana malinaw yung ibig sabihin ng proposition or not. Basta pag meron kang sentence na pwede siyang true or false, proposition yon at dapat declarative siya. No? So, hindi pwedeng, are you going to the market? True, false. Hindi pwede yun. No? Kasi siya, nagtatanong siya. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating maiksing video. I'll see you in the next video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. No? And don't forget to share it with your friends. See you!